Good morning, everyone. My name is Zia, and I make videos about full-time van life. Or do I? Stay tuned. It's Easter weekend, so for any of you who celebrate the Easter season, I wish you a very, very happy holiday. It's a beautiful day here today. It's Easter Sunday here, and as you can see, the blossoms are out in full. Daffodils and tulips are coming up here in British Columbia. It's really so beautiful and so encouraging for those of us that are full-time nomads to feel the longer days of light and the warmer nights and just the sunshine and things coming back into life, coming back into bloom, leaves coming out on the trees. It's a very, very happy time for us nomads. I want to talk to you today about a really big change some of you are aware of in my life, and that is, well, this is it. Luna's going to be heading out in a minute. I just drove her for the last time and transferred over to that lovely lady. I said goodbye to my beloved van, Luna. She was purchased by an 80-year-old woman. She had turned 80 the day before she bought Luna, and it was a birthday gift to herself, and I absolutely love that. I think some of my friends and family were surprised at how quickly Luna sold. I listed her on a Sunday. She was sold by Wednesday and was picked up on Thursday. And on the way to meeting the new owners, I was quite teary. Luna had been my home. This coming May, it would have been a full year. And she was wonderful. I will miss her a lot of aspects about her. But so it's a bittersweet day, but I am on now to a new adventure. At the start of this video, I said I make videos about full-time van life, or do I? And as you can see, from now on, it's not going to be about full-time van life. So have I found my new home? Have I found the shuttle bus of my dreams? Is it converted? Does it need a lot of work? I'm going to fill you in on that. I was hoping to have it available to show to you in today's video, but I won't have her yet for a few days. So the next video, possibly midweek, but maybe now it won't be until next Sunday, just depending. I'll show you everything about her and fill you in on how that all came to be and what's going to happen going forward. So wherever you are in our great, big, beautiful world, I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I'm going to say bye-bye for now.